Facing operation. In this video, we will discuss the facing operation in the lathe. Facing is an operation which produces flat surfaces. Facing tool, workpiece, chuck. In this operation, the tool is fed at right angles to the axis of the workpiece. It reduces the length of the workpiece. Various types of lathe operation we'll discuss in the next videos. Turning operation. In this video, we will discuss the turning operation of the lathe. Turning is the machining operation in which excess material is removed by rotating the workpiece against a cutting tool. Workpiece, tool, feed, that is F, depth of cut. Knurling operation. In this video, we will discuss about knurling operation in the lathe. It is the process of indentation of various forms on cylindrical surfaces. Knurling tool, workpiece. A knurl tool is held in tool post and pressed against the rotating work. It is done to provide grip on holders and screw heads. Grooving. In this video, we are going to see about grooving operation. Grooving is also known as recessing, undercutting, or necking. Consider a workpiece held in lathe. The grooving tool is fed crosswise against the rotating workpiece. A groove is the location of an indentation in the part. This indentation can be square, round, or angular in the shape. The function of a groove is usually to allow room for a fitting part such as a rubber O-ring. It could also be the place where another part fits into this part. Grooves also provide a relief in the backside of a thread where the thread terminates. Drilling. In this video, we will discuss the drilling operation of the lathe. It is the process of making holes on workpiece. The drill is fed slowly into the workpiece, which is revolving in a chuck. Chuck. Workpiece. Drill tool. The drill is held stationary in the tailstock spindle. Reaming. In this video, we are going to see about reaming. Reaming is the operation of finishing and sizing a hole which has been previously drilled or bored. Consider a workpiece held in lathe. The tool used is called reamer, which has multiple cutting edges. The reamer is held on the tailstock spindle either direct or through a drill chuck and is held stationary while the work is revolved at a very slow speed. The feed varies from 0.5 to 2 mm per revolution. Hence, reaming is done. Boring operation. In this video, we will discuss the boring operation on the lathe. Boring is the operation of enlarging the previously drilled hole with the aid of single point cutting tool called boring tool. Workpiece, boring tool. If the hole is enlarged only through a certain length, then it is referred as counter boring. If the tool is fed at an angle to the axis of rotation, it is called internal taper turning. Enlarged hole, parting off. In this video, we will discuss the parting off operation on the lathe. Workpiece, cutting off tool, parting off is the operation of separating the finished workpiece from a bar stock. The operation involves feeding the cutting tool into the rotating workpiece.